Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in today to the iNaturalBody channel, where we are doing another product demonstration for you. And today's product demonstration is how to get more fizz action in your bath bombs. Real quickly, a shout out to Irene over at Body Bonbon and Anne-Marie over at Brambleberry. They both helped me with accomplishing this task, and I thought I would share with you guys the end result. So here you have it, a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 part sodium bicarbonate and 1 part citric acid, and you guys can watch for yourself how much action we get with our bath bombs now. So what I do is a portion of my bath bomb recipe will include only 1 part sodium bicarbonate and 1 part citric acid. Sometimes it's just on the embedded parts, and sometimes it's a portion of my main recipe. I hope this video is beneficial to you and you enjoyed some light jazz while watching our product demonstration. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. This is Sonia saying thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.